everyone, Protoville, and today's Minecraft episode we are going to play a mod named Bedrock Reimagined. So before we begin, I would like to point out the rules for the whole mod series. So number 1, I will start from the scratch. So no clue, no idea, and no knowledge about the mod. I haven't done any research or watched any of the mod content series. Number 2, I will play on our forever world, even if I die or fail to do so. Number 3, I must finish the whole series without stopping. And lastly, enjoy and keep exploring. Alright, that settles everything and let's get going. Okay, so before tayo mag-start, pinangalan ko yung world ko ay Dorotar. And sa mga familiar dyan, yung pangalan na yan is galing yan sa larong World of Warcraft. And ayun, after that, name-on ko yung resource pack ng Bedrock Reimagined and yung behavior packs niya. And after that, pumunta ko sa advanced option at nilagyan ko ng custom random seed ko. Which is, ako lang naman nag-type yan. And sa mga nag-ludo dyan, haha. Well, ayun yung seed ko. I know it's really funny to read and to witness, and it's okay. If you guys wanna use that seed on your mods. But anyway, I hit create, and as soon as I hit create, pinik ko yung easy difficulty, and after that, I explored mo na yung inventory ko, and I found this like a Bedrock Reimagined book. So ito para siyang wiki lang. So, I set aside, and I set aside ko yung accessory book at yung quest book. And ayun, sa pag-open quest book, nakakuha ako ng 3 crystalline apple. Now, wala akong idea about sa crystalline apple, so I set aside lang muna. Yippee! And after that, kumuha ako ng resources like wood. And then like, quite lang magkuha lang ako ng like ng enough wood for my tools. And as I gather like enough wood, I tended to craft a crafting table, and then after that I crafted a basic wooden tools so that I could gather more of the resources. Grab some stick, grab my own wooden pickaxe, grab my own wooden axe, and also for wooden sword so that I can, have a little bit of defense to fight off. And after that I've gathered enough wood. So, nag-decide na rin ako magbaba. And I look down to see if there's any resources to take. And actually, went to the other way. So that I could gather more woods. So, nagkaroon ako ng completed quest, adventure. Like, nagkaroon ako. Ayun. And after that, I got more wood. And actually, nabasag na yung axe ko. And after that, I went down. So that I could gather stones. And as I dig down, kasi wala akong shadow, tinabad talaga ako. Oh no. That's how lazy I am. And I found stone, so I quickly mined the stone and got the quest achievement. That was pretty tough and pretty nice. And as I gathered enough stone, I quickly went to the coal ores here using my wooden pickaxe. I'm not sure why I'm using my wooden pickaxe that mines so slowly, but it's fine. And that's pretty much it. Okay, as I quickly gathered enough of the coal, or all of the coal, I quickly went up and tends to find the strange building there. So I quickly went go, and ayun, makita ko. Tapos nakita ko tong parang pandak na merchant. Sorry. So ayun, nag-sell siya ng like mga resources and mga emeralds. And ayun, sinyan ako yung mga wheat. Nag-explore ako. So pretty much about sa wheat lang naman to. And only to find that the place was actually abandoned. And wala namang masyadong resources na nakikita dito. And then after na nakita ko to, so ito, nahanap ko yung barn. Marami ding wheat. And, and marami din siya, may mga horses din sa loob ng barn. Which is really good, really great start din sa IBS natin. At look, may creeper na sumali dito. Which is really random. So, umakyat ako sa ladder, and which is a stupid idea. So, nabasag. At sumabog yung lupa. And of course, that was my biggest mistake. So, for a brief moment, nag-explore ako and found a barrel with some loots in it. Which is actually really useful. Na may nakita kong mga loots. So, ayun. Sort out ko. I'll take some more loots. Which is minanap din ako ng bread, wheat, mutons, and also ropes. And after that, for a brief moment, may nakita kong campment dun. So, mamaya, papunta natin yan. Well, the problem is, paggabi na kasi. So, that's gonna be so very hard thing to do. So, I'll stay away for a brief moment, I guess. And after that, may nakita na naman akong 2 barrel, which is, kanina pala, tinitig ko siya. So, ayun, kinuha ko na naman. And got the arrows. And after that, naloot ko na rin. Okay, after I looted everything, kinuha ko na lahat din yung mga loots. At eventually, nakita ko yung Sky Star Fragment. Ngayon ito, wala akong idea talaga kung ano gagawin ko dito. Sabi daw, hold the Sky Star for your max mana hold. I'm not sure what it does. Okay, so after that, prepare na rin ako. Took everything. And yeah. After that, may nakita naman akong Sky Starfall. And ayun siya. Nandun lang yun siya. So, ang ginawa ko ay carefully stay lang na muna. And ayun. Nalaglag ako. So, I rushed towards the Sky Star, and gina-left click ko. That's really stupid. But you have to get it by just right-clicking. That's it. Yun lang. You just have to right-click, and meron akong 2 Sky Star Fragment. And tends to kill these 2 annoying zombies. And after that, bumalik ako sa taas, and eventually, pinuha ko na yung mga resources ko. So, paga na rin. And then I quickly open my quest book, so para makuha ko na rin yung mga completed quests. And then after that, I gained a lot of XP, which is really useful. After kasi, like, you know, pag after mo ma-explore yung mga areas, explore mo mga places, or may nakuha ka ng mga required quests that to finish, eventually you have to get those rewards too, so that para makuha mo rin. And actually, nakuha ko yung saddle sa quest book ko, which is really useful kasi may mga kabayo sa ilalim ko, and we'll use it for our riding or for our journey. So, para hindi tayo magtakbo-takbo, and it will deplete our hunger, which is really useful. So, chinek ko yung mga ibang tags, see if it's may mga completed quest. Okay, so wala. And let it be lang muna. Ang daming quest talaga. Claimed. Not completed. Okay. So, after that, bababa ako. I tamed the horse, got my saddle, and then went to the place kung saan ko nakita kanina. And only to find this place an abandoned camps with lots of treasure. Which is I'm really happy. Okay, horsey, stay there. Ay, nako, wag na lang. Yung kabayo kasi, palatakas yan. Ayun, so ano ko yung mga loots. Ito coals, the bread, and also the steak, piso lang, and the strings. So, nileft by ko na yung sword na yan. Ooh, look at this. Like a bow, enchanted bow, some bread, like a lot of arrows, coals, tsaka diamonds. Oh, emeralds. And then, after that, I quickly get the hail, the wheats, and also, hinanap ko pa yung kabayo ko, tsaka binalik ko pa sa encampment kasi baka kasi mawala. Napakapasaway na kabayo. Okay, I click and go down. And eventually, niloot ko pa yung mga ibang resources sa isang mga chests dito. And nahanap ko yung ring band, which is really strange kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko to gamitin. And I want to take it, but the problem is, my inventory is full, so I had to quick sort of it. And after that, I was trying to loot chests, and I just found this cute fox plushie. And I mined the decorative crafting table. And after that, I quickly took the fox plushie. And of course, my favorite animal, or my favorite, they're my favorite animals, like fox. Yeah, paborito kasi yun. Isa sa mga playful sila eh. Like, I really love the foxes, that's why. And then, ito, kinuha ko yung banner. Ay, hindi ko man na kinuha yung banner kasi wala akong inventory sa ko. Wala akong space. Ayun, kinuha ko yung mga ibang loot sa barrel. Okay. So, after that, hinanap ko pa yung kabayo ko. Which is, the only problem is wala talagang leash. So, hinanap ko talaga siya. And as I keep finding na may nanap akong dalawang structure doon, which is my tent at yung parang may something castle doon. And anyway, I kept looking for my horse and that's the problem. But eventually, nanap ko naman dito siya. And about just right here. There he is. Nakotsero talaga tong kabayo. I'm sorry. Come here, horsey. And then, sakay ako and then just found the best spot to build my house. Okay, drop ko lang yung stick ko kasi walang space. Okay, so I started building my own house. Okay, skipping to the part, ayan na. Buo na ang aking bahay. So, nilagay ko yung mga things ko, sort out ko na. And just to keep in mind guys, mahilig ako mag-sort out ng mga items. So, bear with me. Yep, and nag-usan na ako. And after ko mag-sort na ako ng mga gamit, so ito na. Nilubog ko muna sarili ko sa tubig kasi, ayun, na ako. And pag lubog ko sa tubig, nakita ko yung sky, star sa ilalim ng dagat. So kinuha ko, and then went back to the surface. And ang annoying part lang dito is, ayun, tinira ako ng skeleton. And the most dumbest part is I used that wooden wand to kill him. And nakatakas naman. And then, morning rises, ayun. Quickly went to my horse and build his own cage. So, para di siya makatakas. And then, ayun, tapos ko na yung yung cage niya. And then, instead na kami, nakita ko yung isang tower na yan. And it's really strange kasi marami structure ko nakita. So, niride ko yung horse ko and then quickly went back to the encampment. So, para makuha ko yung ibang mga resources. So, sinira ko yung barrels. Ayun. So, sinira ko na rin yung sleeping bag dito. And I know it's not, hindi ka makasave ng mga respawn point and nakita ko na rin yung fox banner. Then, went back to my horse. Tapos, uwi na naman. Let's go! Okay. So, after that, nag-gather ako ng mga items ko to prepare para mag-discover ng mga structures, ng mga bahay doon. So, sumakay ako kay horsey. Okay. As we march, we head back to that sa pinaka nearest natin na place. This is really strange encampment. So, nag-discover ako, na-explore pala ako, sorry, hindi ko na-discover. Explore ako and find this mga enchanted na stone pickaxe. Some iron bars. Iron ingots, not iron bars, I'm sorry. Steak, Romiton, and then arrow, tapos mga string. Which is really useful kasi madaming loot. And pagkatapos ko malut na yung place, I quickly went to my horse. Tapos, ayun. Nahanap ko to yung strange to na statue. And sa loob nito is like a ruined nether portal. Which is really, really good start. Kasi, maayos ko to siya. So, I'll come back later. And then I went to my horse. Just quickly went home. Kasi gabi na. That's really the worst part ever. Nikulong ko siya. And went back to my home. And after that, nilapag ko yung sleeping bag ko. Try to sleep, pero problem is, yung mga dito, monsters. Well, okay, skip na lang sa part na yun. Meron tayong quest book dito. So, I quickly open my quest book. And then, claim all of my completed quests. And then, gathering some more more rewards. Like nito, yung villager statue, tapos binigyan ako din ng emerald. And after that, may nahanap ako na quest na completed ko, and binigyan ako ng frozen baron, which is really good. And lastly, most of all, nakakuha din ako ng mga XP, and of course, nakakuha ako ng void totem. Now, this void totem is, I'll use it like siguro mga specific places like void or something, ganon, kasi nakita ko yung description. Check mo yung mga ibang tags. Ikaw, nakakuha din ng diamond horse armor. Okay, as morning rises, ayun, so sumakay sa kabayo ko, sinuot ko yung diamond armor sa kanya so that he won't die easily. Okay, so nilubog ko pa yung sarili ko para mag-inom. Okay, as my thirst bar went up, so ready to go na kami. So papunta kami doon sa tower na yun. But instead, papunta kami sa tower na yun, pumunta kami doon sa abandoned na house or something, church or something. Okay, so pero dumaan kami. So I quickly went here and in-inspect ko and found an iron and coal just beside the walls, which was really strange. So I mined it. And as I mined all of it, umakyat ako. And I take cautious kasi baka may kalaban. And found nothing. So bumaba ako, took all the loot, and mined all the coals and iron. Pero ang problema is yung iron, it needs to be a strong pickaxe para makamine siya. Nakakarte naman. And after that, nakita ko to, yung wizard na to, and which sells like as a mage weapons or something. And after that, I quickly mined all the coal, took all the resources, went up and get on my horsey. Now ngayon, umulan, and that's really the worst part, and could be the strange phenomenon that could happen. So I took cautious and then chance to go inside, but things took a terrifying turn. Yep, namatay ako. Akala ko matatalo ko sila, but it's fine. Quickly respawn ako, find my way through my back home, and eventually got blown by a creeper, but it doesn't matter. And eventually, nag-stop by ako sa campment and just go sleep through the night. And after that, umuwi ako, then pinatay ko yung dalawang sheep, randomly, and quickly goes back inside of my house. And after gathering some resources, I took a risk naman bumalik dun sa tower na yun. Pero may mga pillager kasi lumalakad. And as I ran back inside of the tower, a pillager surprised me, which is really terrifying, and found my items were gone. It was really, really bad. And ayun, may nakita ko. Nakita ko yung kabayo ko just beside of the pillager. I survived just an hit. I have 5 health and my hunger just went all the way down. And that's the rest of our run of our Minecraft mod series Bedrock Reimagined episode. So if you guys love the video, make sure you guys tap that subscribe button and click the like button if you guys enjoyed watching and liked the video. Until then, Frotzy out, babush!